Hi, welcome to this week's CCASA Public Policy Podcast. It's been a while actually since we've done one of these, but I wanted to give folks a quick update. Thank you to all of you who provided advocacy on behalf of House Bill 1162. If it feels like we've been talking about this bill forever, it's because we have. This is actually part 2 of the bill we worked on last year, really working to create a path in Colorado to terminate the parental rights of a rapist if a rape results in the birth of a child, and just making sure that there is that path for protections for victims and their children. It's been a really long, hard, complicated road, and I wish I could say that we're done, yay, bill's over with, but unfortunately that's not the case. The hearing last week was amazing. There was some really powerful survivor testimony, and we're so thankful to everyone who spoke out. Unfortunately, there was not a vote taken after the testimony. The House Judiciary Committee members felt that the bill still needed more work, so I am on my way this afternoon to another stakeholder meeting with members of the Bar Association, the Defense Bar, some other folks about this bill, and our goal is really to end up with legislation that we can pass, but also legislation that's as strong as possible. So there may be some compromises along the way, but we are not going to compromise to a point where this bill is gutted down so it doesn't make a difference. So that's the current update. No vote yet in the House Judiciary Committee. That vote will happen this week on Thursday. And what that means is if you haven't contacted members of the House Judiciary Committee or your representatives yet, there's still time. The vote will be on Thursday. So check out our previous urgent actions alerts with all of their contact information and some sample talking points. This bill is really something that constituent advocacy makes a difference on. So thank you so much for taking a few minutes of your time to contact our representatives and let them know how important this is. I also just wanted to mention, folks remember the bill, House Bill 1020 from last year, which is around the testing of rape kits and making sure that that evidence is tested appropriately and in a time-sensitive way. So I wanted to let folks know that those rules, as of March 1st of 2014, so just a couple of days ago, those are officially implemented. So what passed last year in House 1020 is now the law of the land here in Colorado, which means moving forward, all evidence that's collected as a part of a rape kit in Colorado will be tested. It will be sent to our crime lab for testing unless it meets one of 2 criteria. The victim has not consented for it to be tested, or law enforcement has proven it to be false. That's different from not knowing if it happened, but it's been proven false. All other rape kits in the state of Colorado starting March 1st, 2014 will now be tested. So that's really important information for survivors in your community to know. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for everything that you do.